Welcome to another episode of Shooting Science. Today we are going to take a look at a brand new optic from Vortex, the Defender CCW Enclosed Solar Micro Red Dot in 3 MOA. In addition to being fully enclosed, this one has multiple reticles to choose from, which no other Defender optic has ever had. There's many more features though than that to unpack, so let's get into it. All right, so first things first, this is an optic with an RMSc type cut. So it's going to fit most small pistols. And you're probably wondering, hey, how does the window compare to the Holosun EPS carry, which is the other very popular small enclosed emitter optic on the market? Good news for you, right at the beginning of the video, here's a chart. Not only does the Defender have a window that is a few millimeters bigger, but it also has 3 different reticle options, and it is a direct mount optic. So it does not require an adapter plate to mount it to RMSc cut slides like the Holosun EPS carry does. And there's that super clear glass. Having a side-loading battery is great. There's no need to take the optic off of the gun to change the battery out. Solar panel on the top, which gives it apparently 150,000 hours of battery life. Battery runtime with solar, 150,000 hours. And with auto detect technology, the optic is going to detect light conditions and automatically draw power from either the solar source or the battery as needed. And it comes with a little rubber cup to protect your optic when in storage or when you're cleaning your weapon. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. A little box of goodies. All right, so you got your product manual. Shows you how to get the 3 different reticles, change the brightness, motion activation, power up. Pretty cool. Ooh, and a little microfiber. Very nice. So you can keep that with your range bag and use it to wipe off any fingerprints that you may get on the lens. Awesome. And it comes with a ton of screws. Okay, awesome. Let's see, I'll spread them all out here. With some other metal things. That's interesting. Okay, so these are all of these screws that it comes with. It suggests a few different guns on there, but that's not limited to the guns that are on there. I have found in the past with these optics that some of these screws work for other guns that are not listed, but it's nice that they give you a few different sizes to try. Something new that Vortex is now including, a 1-degree shim plate. I have seen these on 2011, 1911 style pistols for RMSc optics, which most of them are cut for that since the top of the slide on a 2011 is really skinny. But this says used to angle the optic slightly to gain elevation when zeroing at less than 15 yards. So basically what this is for is the optic will max out on some guns in one direction and you can't get it to 0. This 1-degree shim plate is a wedge at 1 degree and it helps you get to 0 on those guns where the optic is angled so much from the factory mounting surface of the gun to where you can't get it to 0. That's when you use one of these. It also comes with a Picatinny mount for mounting it on a rifle or a shotgun or anything with a pick rail on it. And this is metal. They also include this Torx bit at the right size for all of the screws here, which on here it says it's a Torx 10. And then it comes with a metal adjustment tool. Yep, so this is steel, and then that is another Torx bit. Show you where this comes into play. So there's a plus sign on this end. To get the battery cover off, you stick it in there, and you twist off the battery cover like so. You probably also use a bullet casing. Yep. That works. And then this Torx bit is going to work with all these screws. So you can put it down in here and screw the screws onto the pistol. Okay, so let's take a look at how the reticles look. I'm going to take this protective tape off of here. Sometimes I've seen Vortex optics made in the Philippines. This one is made in China. None of them are made in the USA, unfortunately, but we do get a good value for them. It does seem pretty tough. There's other YouTubers out there who have left these things in creeks and smacked them on steel plates, and they're holding up great. So these things seem to be pretty durable. Let's go ahead and take that battery cover off. It does come with the battery, nice. I just have to peel that piece of plastic out of there. We'll put it back on. Woo, that thing is way off from the factory. I'm going to have to adjust that. I can't even find the dot. Okay, I adjusted it so that the dot is roughly in the middle so we can see it here. And this is a 3 MOA dot. So most of you watching this are going to know the benefits of an enclosed optic, but I'll just say them anyway for people who don't know. This is a Vortex Defender ST. As you can see, this part is open and the emitter is in here. With this one, it's all enclosed. There's a piece of glass here and a piece of glass there, and nothing can get inside of this. So it's a lot more durable. It's more waterproof, windproof, dustproof, everything proof. Even though this, you can get water and mud in there, it'll block the emitter and then no dot will show up. Whereas this can't be blocked because nothing can get in there to block it. Pretty simple. But the solar panel also makes it last a lot longer battery-wise if you're going to be outside shooting. All right, so let's look at the different reticles that we've got available. So there's the regular dot. And then to change, hold these two down. I'm just going to guess. I haven't looked at the manual yet. Yes, that did it. It's just an open circle. And then if I hold these two down again and push them at the same time. It's hard to show on camera, but you get a circle with a dot in the middle. And it looks kind of blurry on camera here for you, but it is a lot crisper in person. This optic also has 12 illumination settings, 10 for daylight and 2 for night vision. Comes with a lifetime warranty, so if it does leak or I ever have an issue, I can send it in and get another one. Vortex is good like that. So as you can see, this is a pretty good value. It's not just a red dot. It comes with a lot of the hardware you need, tools, a pick rail mount, a dust cover, the microfiber, all of the screws that you would ever need, and this shim. You don't have to go on Amazon or figure this out. So that's wonderful. The other thing is, this is going to be designed to bolt directly to guns with the RMSc pattern. So your Smith & Wesson Shield 2011s, Glock 43X, #1 most popular carry gun in America right now. There's also the Optic ready versions of the Springfield Hellcat. Then you have the GX4 TORO, the Sig Sauer P365, and the Glock 48. Probably some others that I'm forgetting. But any small guns that have optics ready, micro compact, stuff like that, this is going to bolt directly to those cuts. Just look for RMSc cut. If you have a pistol and you're not sure what it has, that's what you want to look for. That's what this is for. All right, guys, so I hope that unboxing was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you are going to use your Defender CCW on. What kind of gun are you going to put it on? And then make a guess in the comments below as to what I'm going to put it on. There is a pistol that's not been seen on the channel yet. So once I do the unboxing of that pistol, I'm going to go ahead and mount this red dot on that pistol and then do another review of that combo. In the meantime, feel free to browse all of the other videos on the channel. And don't forget to go ahead and smash that like button and give me a subscribe if you found this content useful. And I'll see you on the next one.